Hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. Wednesday, February the 9th. Yeah, 2022. Still Wednesday. I've already solved one puzzle in this additional. It's a 3-star Sudoku. So we have two puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary. Yes, it's time for the binary, boys and girls. And this will be number 4103. Before I start, let me count the boxes. I want to know what kind of binary puzzle is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Well, interesting. And no, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. Here we have also between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Still having troubles with my voice. Yeah. Between 2 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Well. Now it will be difficult. But we can compare, yes. This row and that row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Here. And now we need to compare again, I think. Yeah. Interesting. With these 2 rows. The last row and that row. Okay. Empty box 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finished in 4 minutes. Okay. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.